to those who want to those who watch this video, if you are planning to work in a construction, you must first practice your English. Because in a construction, we are used to speak in English. Huh?
This is manual hauling. Engineer Lagrio, how are you?
Fine. Too hot upstairs. My skin is getting dark. My face is getting ugly, you know. Oh, you're too focused, huh?
You see? Our installer.
The surroundings very.
I am just making a documentary on how the carpenters work very hard. You see? Not only very hard, it's
Very dangerous.
very dangerous also. The perimeter area. You see? We have one carpenter, no harness, no body harness. That is also dangerous. Our safety officer is not allowing them to do that.
But no safety officer is there right now.
But since the safety officer is not on the side, see?
He is 1.2 above the ground. Good job. It is a very good drink. You have a healthy body.
I saw your nose is bleeding, pare. Your nose bleed, huh?
It's very hard to it is very hard to work in a construction. Speak in English.
No problem.
To those who watch this video, if you are planning to work in a construction, you must first practice your English. Because in a construction, we are used to speak in English. Huh?
You see, tomorrow, pare, I'm going to post this and I don't know, maybe going to be viral.
This is speaking engineer. Huh?
This is the engineer. This is from Iligan City. Where you come from, pare?
I came from Cagayan province, Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Right of Ilocano.
Okay.
But we lost.
Why you bought Binay?
I bought Binay because I believe that Binay has the capability to change this country. I believe that what he has done in the Makati, he can do it to the whole country.
Okay.
My vice president is Onasan because he is very brave enough to run for vice president. It's not easy, huh?
Oh, what about Bongbong Marcos?
Bongbong Marcos is automatic win. Must be. But definitely, Lenny is the one who...
Yeah. Lini is my vice president because I'm from Bicol.
Bicolano. I'm Ilocano and you are Bicolano.
Yeah. You can see also the sincerity of Lenny Robredo.
Yeah, no problem with Lenny. Because we have a lot of Bicolanos. Carpenters.
Of course, he deserves to become a vice president of the Philippines.
But I'm waiting for Duterte's administration.
See, we have also from Cavite. Come on, this is interview. See? There's another table from 14th floor. It's windy. It's a little bit dangerous. See? But see, our lead man is also acting like a rigger.
No, radio, ha? The people. To communicate with the...
Actually, we will not allow this because no rigger is on site.
Oh, I really like that.
So you must have the radio communicating with the tower crane operator.
Yes, the target, right? If you play with that radio, we can just put... The radio operator is... the rigger is already... You know what he's doing. I like this man, ha? He has a talent.
You like this? You
No need to train.